Welcome to Nami Island. Although this is a totally man-made island in the middle of the Han River, this is one of the top tourist attractions near Seoul and we cannot wait to explore. There is so much to do here, lots of different street foods to try, different K-drama filming locations, and peacocks. Because we didn't want to deal with the hassle of actually getting here and renting a car, we ended up booking a tour that takes us right here to Nami Island, to Alpaca World, and to a rail bike station. Our very first stop here today is Alpaca World, and apparently they're gonna come run down here. We've got our food, and we're gonna see some alpacas today. I'm pretty excited.
Yes, very cute. Nice.
Alpaca World might just be one of the cutest places to visit outside of Seoul. Tickets cost about 13 USD, and if you're able to make it to their park by 10 a.m., then you can join in on their daily alpaca run. So apparently they're gonna run from up there all the way down, around, and through this road, and then in that fence. 알파카, 어머, 귀여워. 어머. 귀여워. 막 뛰어.
Let's jump.
And as if it couldn't get any cuter, they released the doves. That was an absolute blast. It was so much fun seeing the alpacas.
Very cute.
The time with the alpacas was a little short, but they have a lot of other things on the park, and if you get all your stamps, you get a prize. So we're gonna try to do that. We only have 1 hour left, so we'll see how that goes. Throughout the rest of the park, you'll find cherry blossoms, if you're visiting in the spring, many other types of animals, pet feed vending machines, and for 12,000 won, you can even go for an alpaca walk. I don't think we're gonna get anywhere. Aww. So we made it to the very beginning again, got our stickers, and we stopped at the cafe here on site because they have some alpaca bread. I already ate one.
맛있어?
But I wanted to show you guys. So it's a super sweet bread filled with like custard inside. I kind of feel bad eating it, but it's a little alpaca. It's really delicious. We got some lemonade here because it's getting pretty warm outside, wanted to cool down. And now we're gonna go catch our bus and head to stop number 2 of the day.
만지지 마요.
So we just made it to Nami Island. It's our second stop of the day. It's completely man-made. So this entire island didn't used to be that famous, but there was some K-drama that was filmed here, so it became super popular. And now it's just filled with visitors. So we're gonna spend the next couple of hours here. Apparently the cherry blossoms are like peaking right now on the island here. So if you didn't check our Seoul best spots for the cherry blossoms video, make sure to go do that. But we're hoping to see a few more here while we're on the island today. And since Nami Island is in fact an island, the first thing to do is to make your way over there. You can choose to go by ferry, or for the more adventurous, by zipline. Once you make it, I highly recommend checking out this adorable post office, but honestly, there are so many things to do that you'll want to plan your time wisely. Bike rentals, nature walks, beautiful gardens, and even cherry blossoms to enjoy, just to name a few. After exploring for a little bit and stopping at the ostrich place, We eventually made our way to Nammun restaurant. It's like a traditional Korean restaurant, and we ordered some bibimbap. So we're gonna sit here for a little bit, enjoy our food. 엄마 이제 행복해지. After lunch, we enjoyed a few more of the island's popular K-drama filming locations, and even found ourselves a yummy and cheap snack. So we got a jimpang, which is like a steamed bread with sweet red bean paste inside. It was $1.
뜨거워. It's hot.
It's hot, so we have to let it cool down. But we can show you the inside. Oh, it is really hot. Amma, cheers.
Oh. Nice.
Did you eat it all?
Oh yeah.
So we made it to our very last stop of the day, which is the rail bike tour. And to be 100% honest with you guys, I thought it was gonna be like a 10-minute bike ride, and it's actually a 40-minute bike ride. I think my mom and I's plan is to, because we're put with another group of 2, so there's 4 of us total. So I think we're gonna try to let them kind of do most of the biking. And for those of you who really want your own rail bike, you can book one for just 5,000 won more. Are you ready, Mom?
Oh yeah. No, not yet. I'm gonna put a sticker down.
Are you gonna bike? Even though the rail bike tour was in fact 40 minutes, it was way easier than we thought it would be. Oh my god! And the time honestly flew by. Plus, we got to see areas of Korea that most tourists miss. There were even a few surprises thrown in along the way. Apparently there's 4 different tunnels here and they each have a different theme, and we're coming up on the first one. Wow. It's the Happy Bubble Tunnel. Bubble Tunnel. Did you have fun?
Yeah, it was pretty fun. More than I expected.
Yeah.
Thank you for picking me. Yeah.
I would 1000% recommend that. That was so much fun. And after catching the scenic train back to our drop-off point, we got back on our bus and were dropped back off in Seoul. As always, thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for our next adventure. We made a new friend today. His name is Alfie the alpaca.
No way.
안녕.